John, I actually wondered if you could play something for us, if that would be okay. Dan's got away with it, I don't know why, but he has. Something upbeat, please, John. Maybe the usual hack. Let's just get it moving. It's getting awkward, isn't it?
Yeah, he's talking to him like he's got something organised. Like, remember that one we did at that? Remember that one we did? Yeah, let's do that one.
Yeah.
Go for it, boys.
Let's see it, boys. Great up tempo. Come on, let's see it. Come on, boys. Don't let them down. Okay, boys. I've embarrassed you enough now. Please resume your correct instruments.
That's good.
Can we just give it up for the band, please?
On behalf of me and the rest of the boys, thank you so much for being with us for the last 4 years. You've been absolutely incredible, lads. So, thanks.
God's like thanks, and immortality. Right, okay. I hope we've been okay. We've had a brilliant time. Here is what makes you beautiful.